In today's world, everyone loves to save time. To save time in the kitchen, the multifunction cooking robot will be your best ally. As the name suggests, this device offers several functions that allow you to chop, wrap, blend, mix and even cook ingredients almost automatically. There are many models of multifunction robots on the market. While some have simple features, others more recent can offer multiple features to make your head spin. After watching this video, you can find the perfect machine. Here are the top 5 best kitchen robots. Welcome to the world of tech. Number 1. Suvie second generation kitchen robot. This small and all-in-one kitchen robot is all you need to have for meals with perfect taste and in a short time. Simply load your ingredients, schedule dinner and Suvie cooking robot handles the rest. Comes with cool to cook technology so your ingredients stay refrigerated until it's time to start cooking. This kitchen robot's multiple zones ensure that everything is ready at precisely the same time. With its rapid cook mode, have your fully frozen ingredients to a delicious dinner in less than 25 minutes. With Suvie, you can bake, roast, steam, broil, slow cook, sous vide or even wake up to egg bites. Suvie does it all to unlock the full power of the Suvie system. Add the starch cooker for perfect pasta, rice and other grains. Cook your own ingredients or get Suvie chef designed healthy. Smart meals delivered. Simply load, scan, cook and enjoy, and the cleanup quick and simple, created to help you save time and eat well. Suvie makes life easier by saving your time and energy. Number 2. Thermomix TM6. It is more than just a blender or a slow cooker. It can perform up to 20 different culinary functions like weighing, chopping, grinding, stirring, etc. Comes with 24 cooking modes and high-quality construction. Sous vide mode for yummy moments. Fermentation mode for making yogurt at home. Slow cooking mode for garden party meals. High temperature mode for a perfect roast. Pre-cleaning mode for a better experience, and many others. Comes with a larger screen and user-friendly interface. Built-in Wi-Fi and recipe recommendations. With over 40,000 recipes, the software of this kitchen robot keeps on updating for a better experience. Number 3. Multo by CookingPal. Multo is the ultimate easy-to-use, all-in-one kitchen appliance that preps, cooks, and cleans. It has over 15 cooking functions. A list of recipes and guides included. With interactive voice control, it can notify you through voice once your meal gets ready. It is controlled by a tablet to let you cook remotely in your home. All accessories included. Number 4. Pingo Doce Chef Express. It is a multifunction machine that allows you to weigh, prepare and cook food easily, quickly and conveniently. By concentrating several appliances in a single appliance, Chef Express weighs, chops, pulverizes, stirs, kneads, beats, mixes, grinds, emulsifies, and cooks in different ways, even steaming. Number 5. Kenwood Chef XL. Bring great tasting food to the table with this reliable kitchen machine. Designed to make light work of food preparation, this product will help you to create an array of dishes with ease. Built-in easy weigh scales so you can have constant perfect taste. A user-friendly interface, and connect to the Kenwood World app for step-by-step recipe inspiration straight to your mixer. It also has easy-to-use Cook Assist touchscreen. May it be dough kneading or egg white whisking, this device knows how to do it perfectly. Light lift head for ease of use. Experience ultimate temperature control with induction heating technology up to 180 degrees and weigh directly into your bowl with the inbuilt Precision Easy Weigh Scale. Stainless steel tools, dishwasher for easy cleaning. That's all for today. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more exciting tech videos. Thanks for watching.